Today we got a video from Disorderly, Florida, and the title of the video is "Woman Gets Caught Doing the Unthinkable on a Public Beach."
On April 28, 2023, an officer with the Fort Lauderdale Police Department was on foot patrol when he came across a woman performing Gawk Gawk 3000 on her boyfriend. When the shocked officer made his presence known, said woman thought, "This is all one big joke." If you enjoy police body cam content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Disorderly Florida. All parties are presumed innocent until proven guilty in the court of law.
Hold on, is that my guy right here? Oh, they getting crazy. Yeah, she getting them right.
That's right. Have a seat, asshole. Have a seat. Now.
All right, fine.
Have a seat. You really think this is an appropriate place for this?
It's not.
I think it's appropriate.
You think it's appropriate
Yeah.
She's not.
to be having oral sex
I apologize.
on a public bench?
I apologize. Stop.
It's what?
I apologize.
I'm sorry, I'm asking her a question.
I apologize.
Yeah. You mean do you?
I apologize.
Really?
No, look, we both have a few shots.
Really?
I honestly,
Stand up.
apologize.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
It is. It is.
Turn around and face the wall.
Sir. Look, I apologize.
Get over here.
Honestly, I apologize.
Get over here. You think I'm kidding? If I have to
think you're
chase you
kidding.
and
I
tase
am
you,
kidding.
put your hands behind your back.
I am
Sit down or I will tase you.
I apologize.
Turn around and face the wall.
What are you gonna do?
Turn around and
What are you
you
gonna
are
do?
under arrest. Turn around and face the wall.
Okay, like I don't know the law. Okay.
Turn around and face the wall.
Okay.
Please.
Ma'am, do you want to get
Listen
tased?
listen to him.
Do you want to get tasered?
Shut the f up. You know I don't know the law. Shut the f
I'm not going to fight with you. Do you want to get tasered or do you want to get pepper sprayed?
I would love to get tased.
Turn around, face the wall, and put your hands behind your back.
Sir,
This
I
is
apologize.
insane.
We had a few shots. I'm sorry.
Hey, you don't.
Sir,
What? You think you do it?
don't do
Put your hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Now, you're under arrest.
Sir, please.
You want to
Look. Sir, I'm allowing you to do it. Like, look, I'm not.
Hands behind
Sir,
your back.
you hurting her. You hurting
Man,
her.
shut your ass up, man. Shut that dude up.
Look, you hurting her. Oh my God, you hurting her.
This dude sound like a lame.
You hurting her.
You're hurting her. You're hurting her. Shut your weak ass up, man.
There's one female, one male. The female pink shirt. The male had the black and brown floral.
What, they took off or something?
Oh, does it look better? Huh? I don't know. I don't know if she had a knife or it was her nail. Right here. I don't know if she had a knife or her nails.
Hey Johnny, what kind of charge you got? And can you send on the script of the mail? And just be advised, she was by herself when I saw her, so 2 minutes to get south.
She's the main one I want, but we got indecent exposure on both of them. Him for obstruction, her for, again, indecent exposure, resisting arrest, and battery Leo. What's that?
Don't forget your rescue to clean you up or no?
And if you're on the box, just make sure he's all child as well. Anybody else down that's running forward over here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Any unit running closer to District 3, send us so you can send out your response. A1, go ahead.
Dang, he was getting right. He was getting right on the street. She was making sure her man was together. That's crazy though. That's really
Yeah,
crazy.
he ran with her.
You ran with her that way?
He ran with her east on Broward. So
You said full shirt? They got her.
black and brown, floral type shirt and black jeans.
All right, so they got her over there. We're gonna go try to find it.
All right.
Stand here so I can take it.
What's that?
Stand here so I can take it.
Hey, just come back. It's like this. I think it's 2 pounds.
Oh, he must have got hurt.
Morning, guys. That's fine. Okay, there's the first 275 or something wrong.
Anything else?
I don't think so. Knock my camera off.
Let me know your back real quick.
First Street. What's that?
Seems like you're good.
Okay, this is 25.
You're home, by the way, so.
Oh, okay.
Yes, okay, okay.
No broad, nothing. It's crazy.
They'll be out here shortly to get you. Man,
Just young and dumb.
touch any of that. You need to stand back by the fence. Please. You have to wait until they come out here to get you. There's no place for you to do that here. So go back by the fence, and they'll be out here shortly to get you and take you in the back.
She ready to get cracked.
How do you think this officer conducted himself during this interaction? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment.
Okay, so you ain't gonna talk about the crime, man. What? Like, man, she ready to go. She is ready to get cracked, okay? But, man, you can't do that stuff on the side of the street, man. Come on. Like, not on the side of the street. You gotta go home. You know what I'm saying? Get right. Go home. You know what I mean? You know, make out. Stuff like that. But y'all was getting real. Come on, man. Just imagine if a family with kids and stuff was walking past or something. Like, come on, man. Now, that's insane. Whoo-wee. Then she like, officer, I'm ready to do you next. Like, yo, she bending up. Oh, man. Yeah, oh, man. This is a wild one. Cop, he did his job, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, the only thing that I was a little confused about is that he was like, the main one is her. And when in reality, I think both of them should, because technically indecent exposure is on his part, right? He has his part out. She doesn't. You know what I mean? Yeah, she's performing, but he is actually exposed. So I'm like, both of them should be going. You know, honestly, I think both of them should go. But whatever, they only gonna get her because I know she was, you know, she was performative, putting on a show and everything. But in reality, both of them should go for their actions. But overall, I get a cop, you know, he get a 4. You know what I mean? I would give a 5, but I think both of them should be locked up, not just her. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.